Hey everyone, it's Ben with Arctic Cat. Today I'm joined here with Trenton Munsell, the Director of Product Strategy for Off-Road. So Trenton, in 2018 we released the Wildcat XX. What is new for model year 2023?
All model year 23 XXs get the Adapt clutch system, which was standard on the 22 Limited and SE. It's also shared with a lot of our snowmobile product. They also get a brand new Transaxle that we've developed that is stronger and quieter than the units we've had in there before.
Excellent. So behind us here, we've got a couple of Black Hills Edition XXs. Tell me a little bit about what makes this product unique.
So this is really inspired by our riders from the Black Hills of South Dakota. We wanted to make sure we offered a vehicle that was more suited to trails and mountain terrain and really fit that need. We've started with a 32-inch trail tire, and we've dropped the low gear and the Transaxle down so you get more climbing power, especially when you're rock climbing. We've also put a new clutch cover on, which is completely sealed and flows more air than the standard XX, keeping your belt temperatures down. From there, we've added a lot of accessories. Front bumper with a worn winch, rock sliders, rear bumper, standard roof, and the biggest one is factory installed Garmin with a long range antenna. This allows you to map where you're going as well as keep track of your friends.
Excellent, so a lot to be excited about for the Wildcat XX Black Hills Edition. If you guys want to learn more about the Wildcat XX or the Black Hills Edition, visit your dealer or go to arcticcat.com.